Good morning, everybody. We're here to rinse out another t-shirt for you. We got our beautiful full rainbow with WIDESCREEN bullseye. This is one we are very interested to see how it turned out. Quite hyped about this one. A whole lot of beautiful color in here, as you can see. Just interested to see what we get. All that color, people. Kind of hard to get these really well rinsed, you know, because they're kind of wound tight and putting a lot of print. We do our best. It happens sometimes. To the inside. Slip and slide. Got it inside now with the warm water. Gonna get the unbanding. Let's get it unbanded.
I kind of prefer the tri-color bullseyes, but we hadn't done one like this in a long time.
It's been a while since we got a full rainbow bullseye. Tri-color's cool. It's just cool because you make the whole rainbow since we have 3 colors, but you can't get the full depth of color, the full field of colors, unless you go all the way with it. Let's do a proper rainbow. And this one even has mixed gray, which we love.
Yeah, I think the red might have overtaken a lot of the mixed gray.
I figured it would. These colors, other than the mixed gray, all the rest of these colors are extremely bold. So they tend to run over just about anything that they hit. Even that yellow is pretty vicious for a yellow. Normally, you know, just throw a drop of like yellow or something like that, you can just rinse it right out with some red and get rid of it. So, now that's golden, man. And that green, every one of those colors. They're pretty heavy colors. That's what we wanted. Nice big shirt with a good bold collar. It's not all about pastels, people. Ooh, look at that. Man. Look at that. What a beautiful specimen. Wow. That's nice.
Wish I had just a little bit more white in it.
A little bit more, but hey, it's got a little bit of white over here. Good sections. It's got some good white on it. And here's the final result. Check that out. Cue. Look at that. Beautiful pattern. Just beautiful, beautiful striation all throughout. Good change of colors, good gradient. Man, look at that. That is a beautiful, beautiful tie-dye. Same on the other side. Oh, look at that. All those great colors. Man, did that come out good. We're going to do some more of these deep color type tie-dyes because we have some requests for them. But yeah, look at that. Wow. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.